Greetings of the day. Today's topic is Maharashtrian cuisine. It is in Unit 3rd. About the state, Maharashtra is a state in the western region of India. Maharashtra is the second most populous state in India as well as third largest state by area. The largest city, economics capital, Mumbai, is the capital of Maharashtra. Topography. The Arabian Sea makes up Maharashtra west coast. The Western Ghat covers the entire coastline. Gujarat and the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli are the northwest. Madhya Pradesh to the north and northwest, Chhattisgarh to the east, Karnataka to the south, Andhra Pradesh to the southwest, and Goa to the southwest. Agriculture. Principal crops include sugarcane, rice, jowar, bajra, pulses, turmeric, onion, and several oilseeds including groundnut, sunflower, and soybean. The state has huge area under fruit cultivation, of which mangoes, bananas, grapes, and orange are the main ones. Influence. Maharashtra food is influenced by the various region of Maharashtra and neighboring state. Preparation is similar to North Indian food, however the spices like tamarind, kokum and coconut are some of the influence from south. Maharashtra cuisine has two major styles, Konkan and Vardi. The coastline of Maharashtra is known as Konkan and this region has a blend of Malwani, Goan and God Saraswat cuisine. Similarly, the food in the interior of the state has its own variation. Meats such as mutton, chicken, and fish are common in the cuisine. This is Vardi cuisine. Staple diet. Amti, sweet and sour lentil curry made with tamarind and jaggery, tomato paste and sliced onion along with spices. Varan is nothing but plain dal, a common Indian yellow lentil stew. Bhakdi, bread made from millet like jowar and bajra, form part of daily food in rural area. Kosambir, typically made from raw vegetable mixed with yogurt and ground roasted peanuts. Raitas made with different type of vegetables such as cucumber and carrot. Popular dishes poha. Pohe is a snack made from flattened rice, onion, potato curry leaves, mustard seed, and turmeric. It is most likely served with tea. Keema pao, minced mutton cooked with onion, garlic, tomatoes, chilies, and spices, topped with crispy fried sunny side up egg, eaten with bread. Bhel puri, puffed rice, papdi, save, onion, tomatoes, raw mango, and sweet and sour chutney are mixed together. Pav Bhaji. This specialty dish from the Bay Lanes of Mumbai has mashed, steamed, mixed vegetable cooked in spices and loads of butter. It is eaten with pav, which is shallow fried in even more butter and served with chopped onion. Vada pav. The recipe uses the combination of boiled potato mashed with fresh coriander and green chilies, a bit of ginger and garlic made into pan-sized ball and dipped in chickpea flour batter and deep fried till golden, and then they are stuffed in pav. Desserts. Basundi, sweet milk dessert flavored with kesar. Shrikhand, sweetened yogurt flavored with saffron, cardamom and charoli nuts. Amras, pulp thick juice made of a mango with a bits of sugar if needed and milk at times. Thank you.